guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Romella and today I'm sitting here with a bare face because I'm going to review three products from this brand called Minimalist. For those of you who don't know, it is very similar to The Ordinary. They have like similar active based skincare products. So I'm going to review three products that I have been using for a long time now. The first product that I got was the 30% AHA and 2% BHA serum. So I got that in October. So that's like 6 months now. And then I got the alpha arbutin serum and also the squalene oil somewhere, by the end of say December. So I have been using those two products for 4 months now. So I have a full-fledged review about these three products. But before we get into the video, if you are new here, hi, I'm Romella. I make makeup, skincare, lifestyle and mom life related content here on my channel. So if you like the vibe here, definitely consider hitting the subscribe button down below and also the bell notification that's right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos. So with that being said, let's get into the video. Also, I did mention that I'm sitting here with a bare face so that you guys can see how my skin has been looking using these products. I didn't want to put on a lot of makeup and then come and review a skincare product because I really want you guys to see how my skin looks while I have been using all these products. These are the only active based skincare products that I have been using in my skincare routine. I did use the Dot & Key exfoliating serum here and there, but not that much. So the first product I have here is the AHA 30% and 2% BHA exfoliating serum. This is how the packaging looks. I have a full-fledged review about this one on my channel. It's not a review, it's kind of a first impressions when I got this product. So I will link that in the iCards so that you guys can go check that video out. It has a lot of details about this product. Now I want to give a disclaimer out there that if you are new to chemical exfoliation, do not try this product. Start with a lower percentage of chemical exfoliator like a 10% lactic acid or something, and then you can build the intensity up to this one, but do not just go ahead and buy this product. Now coming to my experience about using this product, when I got this one for the first 2 months, I did use it like every 10 days, so that was like thrice a month, but then I didn't want to over exfoliate my skin, so in the following months I used it twice a month or sometimes once a month. So I did not really exfoliate that much in the past 4 months, but in the 2 months of getting this one, I did use this quite a bit. You guys can see I have used up a lot of this one, so it's more than half. So, when you first apply this product, you will feel like a tingling sensation and a burning sensation and all of that, but that will subside in a couple of minutes. So if you are new to this and you feel like it's burning your skin, it's not. Also, always do a patch test while trying any of these products, like any of the three products that I am going to mention in the video. And now coming to the actual review, this product worked wonderfully for my skin. Honestly, since I've gotten into chemical exfoliation, my skin has looked so much better than it looked when I used physical exfoliators. Physical exfoliators can be like really harsh to the skin. They're not like really bad. You can obviously go ahead and use physical exfoliators. If you use them in the right way, they will not be that harsh. Also, if you are a teenager, you don't need a chemical exfoliator. I think you just need to get into chemical exfoliation once you are about 20-21. So if you're a teenager, just go ahead and use a physical exfoliator, but chemical exfoliator has really changed my skin. This one particularly gives me a really nice glow and it brightens my skin. It gets rid of the tan and the dullness and all of that. Whenever I use this product, the following week, I think not a week, even more than that, like the following 10 days, my skin looks absolutely glowing and bright and everything. So I really love this one. It works wonders for me. It did break out a few people, but for me it did not cause any irritation, no purging. I obviously did do a patch test for this one, tabhi bhi no irritation, but even when I used the product, there was no irritation, no purging, no breakouts, nothing. This worked beautifully for my skin. So if you are looking for a nice chemical exfoliator that will work for your skin, then definitely try this one out. So the next product I have here is this alpha arbutin 2% and hyaluronic acid 1% serum. I have completely used this bottle up. I think I just have maybe 1 or 2 pumps in here, but I've completely used this one up, and oh my god, this is such a beautiful facial serum. Now this one is particularly for, you know, fading away dark spots and pigmentation and brightening your skin. It helps to even out your skin tone and all of that, and this definitely did all of that for me. It really did help brighten my skin, and my dark spots have faded quite a bit since I have been using this. Now I used up the whole bottle in 4 months, which I think is very weird, because you just need a little bit. You know, when I started using this, I did not know how much to use, so I did use you know, almost more than half a pump, so around 3/4 pump every single night. But that's not how much you should use. You just need 3 to 4 drops of this serum all over your face. This one will last you like 8 months, I think 6 to 8 months. It should last you 6 to 8 months. So that's one mistake I did, but I think I did that only for the first month. But then I realized that I have been using, you know, a lot of this, and I decreased the quantity. I started using 3 to 4 drops, but the results were the same. So just using more quantity of a skincare product will not bring any difference. You just need to use the right amount. On days when I use this, like on nights, the next morning my skin looks beautiful. It looks plump and radiant, and, you know, really glowing and bright. But one thing I've noticed is on days when I skip this serum, the following morning my skin does not look that good like it looked when I applied this. So you have to be really consistent with this one. I used this almost consistently, but not very consistently. I did skip this for straight like 10 days when I was in Kerala somewhere in Feb. So that's when I did not use this, and my skin did look, you know, dull. But when I got back to using this, my skin definitely looks, you know, really bright and nice. So that's one thing I've noticed. Now that I've run out of this bottle, I really need to restock on this one. So that my skin continues to look really nice. But honestly, when you use this, you know, religiously, you will see a difference in your skin. It does take a while. I think it took me a month to actually see the difference, but my skin really does look, you know, a lot brighter, and it did help reduce, you know, the intensity of my dark spots and pigmentation. I did have a little bit of pigmentation here, so it did get rid of that. Not get rid, but reduce. So this one worked wonderfully for me. Again, I am a big fan of minimalist products. I don't know why. They worked really well for me. There are a lot of mixed reviews about this brand. Some people like it, some people hate it. Some people hate it just because it copied The Ordinary, but honestly, this works wonderfully. And if you are getting such good active based skincare products for such an affordable price, then why not buy it? I really don't understand. I know they've copied it, and I know, you know, that is not the right way to go about in the skincare industry or any brand in general. But for me, if a skincare product works really well, I will definitely go ahead and purchase it. So this is going to be a repurchase. I am going to get my hands on another bottle very soon. Also, Minimalist as a brand, you know, includes all clean ingredients. They are free from fragrance, silicones, dyes, parabens, essential oils and sulfates, which makes them, you know, suitable for really sensitive skin types as well. But even if you have the most sensitive skin type, or if you have the most normal skin type, you need to do a patch test before using any of these products. Okay, so coming to the third product, I have here is this Minimalist 100% squalane oil. Now this is a facial oil which can be used across skin types. You do not have to be from the dry skin type or normal skin type to use this. This can be used by oily skin types as well, because this is a very lightweight moisturizer. So what I do is, after I you know, apply my alpha arbutin serum, I go in with a moisturizer, usually a fragrance free moisturizer. I use a simple rich moisturizer. Right now currently I'm using that. and then I follow that up with the squalane 100% oil. Now this is derived from olives. Also, since this is an oil, it has to be the last step in your skincare routine, and I do not use this every single day. On days when my skin needs a little bit more moisturization, a little bit more hydration, like on days when my skin feels very very dry, since I am from the dry skin type, there are days when my skin literally feels very stretchy. So on those days is when I use this, and this definitely helps. It does make my skin really nice and hydrated and moisturized. It also leaves a very nice glow to my skin, and it makes my skin look plump and healthy. So what it actually does, it makes my skin look like I have been drinking a lot of water. So that is how it makes my skin look very very naturally healthy and all of that. That is why I absolutely love this. Again, highly recommended. If you are of any skin type, honestly, if you are from the oily skin type, you can just use a couple of drops of this and it will do the job of moisturization without leaving your skin oily. So that is why I absolutely love this. Also, all of the products from Minimalist are really affordable. They use all clean ingredients. They're very suitable for all skin types, and they worked wonders for me. Honestly, this is not a sponsored video. This should have been a sponsored video, because that is how much I love Minimalist as a brand. They have all great skincare products. I have been eyeing the niacinamide serum as well, but my skin does not need that at the moment. I think alpha arbutin has been working really well. It has been helping me fade all the dark spots and all of that. So I think I'll stick to the alpha arbutin. So these are the 3 products that I got from Minimalist and absolutely love. So if you are thinking of getting any of these 3 products, just close your eyes and buy these. They will not disappoint you. Honestly, just do a patch test before you start using these products in your actual skincare routine. But honestly, these products will not disappoint you no matter what. So yeah, that is all I had to say about these products. These worked wonderfully for my skin type. So that is it for today's video. That's all I had to say about one of my favorite skincare brands at the moment. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay home. Bye.